Ay, hindi, oo. Hindi pwede. Either trusted friend niya or siya mismong uuwi. Kinocompute nga namin ni partner Maribig kagabi. Kung sa pounds ba yan, magkano? Kasi kung sakali, ako na nang bibili ka. O kaya ko. Kaya na kinocompute namin nasa 6,000 pounds. Oo. Ako, sa 2 kalahating buwan kong sahod dyan ha. Pagsampalin ako na asawa ko, parang bumili ako ng isang worth na second hand na car. Kasi nasa worth 370,000 yun. Yung 100 kalapad na sabi niya. Pero kitang-kita na din si Doktora dahil sabi ni partner Maribig, nasa 230 kalapad daw yun. Kaya murang-mura daw. Kasi yung nasabi sa akin ni Jimmy, 100 kalapad daw yung pinirma. So nasa 360,000 peso. Kaya tamang-tama nga yun sa isang 60 account niya. Ayun. Kasi tinatanong niya sa akin, kung paano ako dating 47 account ko. Pero nung in-open up nila yung 60, kinuha ko yung 63 account ako. Kasi ang gandun na lang yung max ako sa kanya. Ganun ba? Paano pag mag 100 ako? Di magdalawang 60 ka? Di 120 yun. Sa kanya, di magdalawang 60 ka. Lagyan mo yung time ko ng 60. Buhanan mo yung anak mo o whatever. Kago sa kanya. Ako, ganun ba? Pwede yan? Oo naman. Pwede yan. Kago sa kanya. Ayun na.
It's quiet at the moment because it's quite early.
Yes,
137.
Oo. Ayun.
On the Sundays,
Ito, Axel Lab nga eh. Yung kay Takahashi na naman, nakausap ko na to.
Yeah.
Yung bag, yung aking owner ni Rian. Nakausap ko na.
All the trains are on the strike.
Pero hindi mo pa na-meet.
It's not strike.
Hindi mo pa na-meet.
It's not strike.
O nakausap.
There's engineering works or some sort of stuff going on, and you could go by train because then you take an hour
ayun
or
na nga,
something, and you have to change 4 times.
Nagpa-add friend in-add friend ko lang din sa
So it's a
ngayon.
bit silly, really.
Tapos ito pa pala, yung sinabi nga sa akin, mag-meet up daw lahat ng Team Japan tong katapusan. Na which is nag-usap nga si partner Maribig sa si Pasondoy kahapon na hindi yung mag-meet up lang kayo, mag-meet up kayo na may plan, na meron kayong goal kung ano yung gagawin niyo. Oo naman po, sabi, meron akong nakaprepare, sabi naman daw ni partner Maribig. Kaya nag-request sa Maribig kahapon. Doon sa
Mixture.
Japan nakasama si Coach Aldo.
Exhibition
Huwag kayo
we're going
mag-focus
into.
dun sa Japan.
So there's other
Huwag kayo
places, but the
mag-focus dun
exhibition
ng
we're
mga
going
plan
into
niyo.
is
Plan
total
ninyo dun sa group natin. Kung ano yung plan ng group natin,
of some sort. I don't know what sort.
at least sa group
I was looking for something that wasn't too expensive that we could
kasi
totally.
medyo very
So
active
some
siya.
of the other places wanted to charge £20 for one exhibition, and then you can go into the whole. It's not that really. Unless you follow someone who can. I don't know.
Halos magkakaparehas sila ng mga
Hello, ticket po ba?
ayun.
Hello. What's that?
Put trees on the street. That's the hot ones.
Ngayon na nga.
I said they want to use trees on
I don't know, see the morning.
Right.
They want
sila mag-debate sa
Started from the
sa
rest of the country.
sabi ko
They want to take
hindi nga daw papasok sa work.
They're depending on you.
They won't pay the money. The community pay back.
Para mag-module
They're
7.
not prisoners, they're people who've been convicted of something. They haven't been sent to prison. The community pay back.
What's that?
It's nothing.
Community.
Community, no.
Ayun na nga
Community
sabi
pay
ni
back.
partner
So
Bali.
the people who have to pay back
Communicate ka dun sa group na nandun
what
si
they've done in
Susan.
terms of so many hours of community
Pero ako,
service.
The government said you don't have money to do what you want
All it, I know. Well, yeah, because you have heavy vehicles and they already
Kaya lang
matching
medyo
up
kung yun,
those.
tignan mo yung
So they're not
profile niya.
putting proper services
Pinasok
down.
sa
They're just doing. And you see how
Uh,
small how
teacher.
thin the actual
Teacher
thing
siya.
is. That's been patched.
Nandun siya sa
But already it's showing signs because there's only a thin layer. It's soft. It's not.
Tignan mo yung
You know, when you lay it grow properly, then it has hot tarmac on it, dries and everything.
yung isa nga,
So it's just kind of adding rubbish to rubbish, basically. It's
pupunta ka
like
dun sa
in your home, if you decorate and you just put a little bit of filler on something and you don't bother sanding it properly or anything, it just comes off.
yun.
Most of them is
Tignan mo yung
It's a waste of time. Yes,
vehicle.
that would be massive.
Kung din siya, very active.
Waste of us. With people on it.
Yeah.
Ang importante naman sa atin is karoon tayo ng kanino? Oo. Pero kanya si Proson doon eh. President is Proson doon. Okay. Tignan mo yung mga posting na, di ba?
Excuse me. 137 to Marble Arch.